I've traveled all over the world, and there is no place like Northeast Wyoming.
Everybody in Gillette has a can-do attitude. We really are a community that finds a way to do things, and we find a way to get people here, and when they get here, they find that they love it here.
About 40% of the power generated in the U.S. comes from coal, oil, or natural gas from Campbell County. So we are the energy capital of the nation.
L&H Industrial is a family business started in Gillette in 1964, working on drilling rigs. We started working in mines when they fired up in the 70s and 80s, and took the company global in 2000s. So now we're 50% exports and 50% domestic, mainly working on heavy industrial equipment in the mining industry. Customers normally don't bring us the small things, they bring us the mega-sized machines. So if they've got a big machine and it's not working right, they need it to perform better, they call L&H, and our people and our engineers get on it and make it perform better than it was before. So Gillette's our biggest facility. This is our headquarters, this is where we started, so it's our largest facility, has the most employees. We hire largely out of the Gillette and Sheridan trade schools, and also out of UW. A lot of our talent comes out of Wyoming. We do half of our sales on exports, and it hasn't been a hindrance being in Gillette, Wyoming. It's actually a great benefit in hiring and retaining talent. One of the reasons that L&H can sell globally is our quality. We've got excellent people, and they do high quality work. We like working with Wyoming companies. Wyoming companies are reliable. We get a lot of our steel from Gillette Steel. Even the steel that goes down to Nevada or down to Arizona will come out of Gillette Steel.
People that are new to Gillette Steel Center are going to be coming into this facility and working with us and seeing some things that they may have never seen before. We've got equipment that is very specialized to working with some of the steels we use. The size of our cutting table is larger than most in the state and most in this part of the region. We're able to take on very specific application projects and do things that few others can. Gillette is a very good center for us to be servicing this mining area, as well as oil and gas, and being right here in the middle of it is very important for us. We're able to meet very specific delivery schedules and work with people hands-on in the area because we're here in Gillette. We're growing with value-added services and our ability to stock more steel and service our customers here in the Powder River Basin. We've been working outside of the state of Wyoming as well. North Dakota, South Dakota are actively called on and delivered to. We're working in Montana in a couple of different areas. As the company grows and we get more specific into some of the value-added services in our processing, we're able to take on more of these guys and do more of the work that's needed to keep the business inside of Wyoming too. I think that's been real important to us.
Area 59 was created through the vision of several people in our community on wanting a makerspace, but also making a big makerspace available to not only education and institutions, but to local community members. So they have that ability to use our state-of-the-art equipment, such as 3D printers and lasers, that kind of equipment. We also have a full complement of wood shop equipment and CNC metalworking equipment, machining equipment, in addition to a plasma cutter table and some welding equipment. We have members that have a small business, let's say a t-shirt business, that he comes here and prints and cuts his vinyl applications for his t-shirts. So our machine is the basis of his whole business. So we have those kind of business memberships that see the value of Area 59 as a resource to make their business better and more efficient.
Person that gets the rocket closer wins.
You really need to come to Area 59 and see what we have to offer, not only for hobbies, maybe for your small business, but to be able to design and create things and actually bring those kind of designs to life.
Gillette Main Street is made up of 7 blocks, and in those 7 blocks we have a lot of unique shops, service industry, restaurants, bakeries, cupcake shops. We have seen a big push to people bringing their businesses downtown, especially since the city put all, their time and money into improvements downtown. Our local businesses have followed suit. When people are visiting a community, they're looking for those local mom and pop shops. They're not doing the big touristy places anymore, and that's what Gillette Main Street offers, all those unique off-the-road experiences. So we're fortunate we get those overnight and day-over guests when people are traveling from one place to another. But once we get them here and we bring them downtown, especially to experience our unique Western way, but also are really cool shops and unique eateries and boutiques and museums. You just can't beat Gillette's can-do attitude. Big Lost is one of our premier places downtown. They've really taken a really cool concept to become the first meadery in Wyoming.
We like to say that this is kind of a cabin atmosphere, so you're coming in out of the elements, you're going to come into a very friendly environment, you're going to have great service, great drinks, and you're going to just be able to kick back and relax. Wild Man and Crazy Woman, they're our main 2 meads that we distribute. The Wild Man is a traditional mead, so only honey. The Crazy Woman is a honey and hibiscus. Both are fairly sweet and about 18% alcohol. In-house, we do have a lot of small batch stuff that we make as well, and then we started doing beer about 2 years ago. So we make very easy drinking malty style German style beers. On the beer side, we do get all of our grain from Wyoming Malting Company, so that's all grown and malted right here in Wyoming, down in Pine Bluffs. We've used some native hops that we get from over in Powell. Yeah, we try to use as much local stuff as possible. We're in 5 states. We're looking to pick up more and more as we get bigger and bigger, and international sales would be awesome to get, and we're working on that right now.